Hi, in this video you'll learn how to apply different formatting options for text data and how to match multiple rows or columns in Microsoft Excel. Let's look at our table. Our tasks are: change the font size in the second row, add an additional columns A and E. In a new column E, add a needed formula to concatenate the cell's content. Fill color to the desired cells to help distinguish them from the rest of the worksheet. Change the text orientation in the column A. Let's look at which formatting options for text data we can use. To change the font size, select cells A2 F2. On the Home tab, click drop-down arrow next to the Font Size command. A drop-down menu appears. Select the desired font size from the menu. In our example, we will choose 14 to make the text larger. Alternatively, you can type the value you want and then press Enter on your keyboard. You can also use the increase font size and decrease font size commands. Similarly, we can use the bold, italic, and underline commands. The next point is fill color, which allow us fill color to the header cells to help distinguish them from the rest of the worksheet. To add a filler color, select the cells A2 F2. On the Home tab, click the drop-down arrow next to the Fill Color command, then select the color you want to use. In our example, we've chosen an orange. Now let's look at which text alignments options for text data we can use. Changing the alignment of a cell context allows us to choose how the content is displayed in any cell, which can make a cell's content easier to read. Microsoft Excel provides for alignment text horizontal and vertical options. By default, we can see such horizontal option in the Alignment group. Align left aligns all selected text to the left margin. Center aligns text an equal distance from the left and right margins. Aligned right aligns all selected text to the right margin. As regards vertical option, we can see predefined variants in the alignment group: top align, middle align, and bottom align. Besides, if we open Format Cell window through Align setting, we can set Align Justify as for horizontal, as for vertical text alignment. It means the text aligns equally on both sides to the right and left margins. By default, any text entered into the worksheet will be aligned to the bottom left on a cell. One more useful text alignment option is merging one or two or more cells in rows or as in columns. You could even use it to merge as many cells as you want, not just two. By utilizing merging, we can create, for instance, a table header In our table we need to add a table header text and locate it for all our columns. Let's type our text: invoice, enter. In order to match multiply rows, select the cells we need to match. From the alignment group on the Home tab, select Match and Center command. This will combine unselected cells into one single cell. After that, we need, for instance, to add text components to all our rows. At first, let's add a new column. Select the column name A, right-click and choose Insert Command. After that, we type the desired text from the keyboard. Components. Enter. Select cells A2, A8 and choose Match and Center command from the alignment group on the Home tab. Then we set an orientation for selected cells from the alignment group. Change orientation. Okay. And use middle align. Let's look at how to match values using concatenate. This action combines text from multiple cells into one. For instance, we need to add appropriate group name for each product. Let's add a new column. Select the column name E, right-click and choose Insert command. After that, we set the cursor in cell E3 and type such formulas: signed equal C3 ampersand shortcuts Shift 7. Then we use such combination: double inverted commas, a space, a dash, again a space, and double inverted commas. Then again signed ampersand, Shift 7 and D3. Enter. You can see such formulas. When we press Enter, we'll see the data from two cells put together with a space and a dash between them. And finally, we just have to copy a formula. I hope my video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.